Welcome back to your latest industry recap, and today we have an action-packed update ranging from Airbus production issues to a new aircraft order and the startup of a new route. Let's dive in. ITA Airways' new Rome-Dubai route. ITA Airways is gearing up for the 2024-2025 winter season by launching a new route connecting Rome and Dubai. This daily service is set to commence on October 27, 2024. According to the president of ITA Airways, this new route represents a significant step forward in their ongoing growth plans. The airline will operate this route with the Airbus A321neo, known for its 20% lower fuel consumption compared to previous generation jets. The aircraft will feature three classes: business, premium economy, and economy, with some economy seats designated as comfort seats, enhancing the travel experience for passengers. The A321neo also boasts XL overhead bins, providing maximum storage space within the airspace cabin, which is equipped with the latest generation seats. The schedule for this new service will see the flight depart Rome at 10:40 a.m., arriving in Dubai at 7:50 p.m. The return leg will depart Dubai the following morning at 1:50 a.m., arriving back in Rome at 6 a.m., with all times being local. ITA Airways emphasizes that this route will be crucial for connecting point-to-point traffic. Additionally, it will enable passengers to connect to various domestic and international destinations from Rome. The airline, which succeeded Alitalia, aims to cater to both leisure and business travelers, given Dubai's status as a major hub for both types of travel. The airline reported a positive start to 2024, with results exceeding expectations. In the first 4 months of the year, passenger numbers increased by 29% year over year, with ITA transporting 5 million passengers. Revenue also saw substantial growth, rising by 38%, largely driven by the intercontinental sector, which experienced a 50% increase in revenue. The load factor peaked at 82% in some markets. Looking ahead, ITA anticipates a strong summer season and expects further improvements across all metrics. The year will conclude with numerous aircraft deliveries deemed essential for expanding the network, improving efficiency, and planning for the future. Airbus production challenges. Moving on to Airbus, the manufacturer is facing new production challenges due to ongoing parts and labor shortages. These issues are expected to impact Airbus's ability to increase production and ensure on-time deliveries to customers. Delivering aircraft on schedule has become increasingly difficult in recent years, a trend that continues to plague the industry. Sources have not yet confirmed whether these latest difficulties will affect Airbus's ability to meet its production targets. The manufacturer aims to deliver 800 commercial airplanes this year, an increase from the 2023 forecast. Despite a relatively smooth 2023, geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions present significant hurdles for 2024. Delays in aircraft deliveries would be particularly detrimental for airline customers who rely on these new planes to maintain and expand their operations. Supply chain difficulties extend beyond key aircraft components to include elements such as seats and cabin interiors, meaning production delays can occur at various stages of assembly. Despite these challenges, Airbus's first quarter results, released at the end of April, showed optimism. The manufacturer remains confident in its ability to increase production levels, driven by high demand and the need to clear backlogs accumulated over recent years. Plans include a significant ramp-up in production of the A320 family and increasing A350 production from 10 to 12 units per month. Qatar Airways' anticipated wide-body order. Finally, let's turn to aircraft orders, with Qatar Airways edging closer to confirming a substantial wide-body aircraft order. According to Bloomberg, the Doha-based carrier is considering an order that could include up to 200 wide-body jets. This decision is expected to be officially announced at the upcoming Farnborough Air Show in July, though delays are possible if the deal doesn't proceed as planned. The Farnborough Air Show, held every 2 years, is a significant event in the aviation industry, providing a platform for airlines and manufacturers to announce major investments and secure media attention. For Qatar Airways, this order is a critical step in the long-term renewal of their fleet and aims to cement their position as a leading airline in the Middle East. Qatar Airways faces stiff competition from other major airlines in the region, including Emirates and Etihad Airways. Additionally, the rise of Riyadh Air and Saudi Arabia's ambitious plans add further competition. The airline's strategy involves securing hundreds of new aircraft to ensure they have the latest models to fend off competitors and grow their operations. According to reports, the Airbus A350 and Boeing 777X are the frontrunners for this order. While specific details about the mix of aircraft have not been disclosed, such an order would be a significant win for Airbus, especially given the past disputes between Qatar Airways and Airbus that led to groundings and delivery suspensions of the A350. For Boeing, an order for the 7777X would help boost the backlog for an aircraft that has faced certification delays and struggled to attract firm interest. Qatar Airways views the 777X as a suitable replacement for the A380, offering high capacity and greater efficiency. The certification delays of the 777X have been a point of frustration, particularly as they forced Qatar Airways to bring back the A380s following the pandemic. Conclusion: this concludes today's aviation news recap, from ITA Airways' new Rome-Dubai route to Airbus's production challenges and Qatar Airways' anticipated widebody order. The industry is buzzing with activity. Stay tuned for more updates, especially as we approach the Farnborough Air Show, where numerous significant announcements are expected. Safe travels and take care.